Okay, we want to stop for just a second. How are you doing? Seriously, are you following along? Because sometimes when we learn, there's this little voice in the head that says, I don't get it. This is too complicated.
And I want to speak to that voice right now. I had that voice too. I remember being so afraid of making mistakes in English that I would just stay quiet. And silence is more dangerous than a wrong sentence. A wrong sentence can be corrected. Silence teaches you nothing.
So if you're feeling a little unsure right now, that is completely okay. That is actually the feeling of learning. That little discomfort, that's your brain building something new. Be kind to yourself.
Exactly. Not perfect, but confident. That's our whole philosophy here. You are already doing great just by pressing play. Okay, practice time. Let's do a little exercise together. I'm going to say a situation, and you, yes, you, wherever you are right now, you say the sentence out loud. Even if it feels silly, even if no one is listening, say it.
Communication first, grammar later. Just speak.
Situation 1. You're talking to a friend on the phone. They ask, "Where are you?" You say, "Go on, say it. I'm at the supermarket," or "I'm outside," or "I'm on my way." Natural, easy. I'm.
Situation 2. You've been working really hard. You've been studying English every day. Someone asks, are you serious about improving? And you look up and you say, I am serious. Or even, I am, full stop. Own it.
Situation 3. And this one is for you personally. Fill in the blank. Say this out loud. I am blank. You decide. I am learning. I am growing. I am trying. I am enough. Whatever feels true for you right now. Say it.
Say it with us. I am enough.
Yeah. Okay, that one hit a little different.
It always does.
All right, now let's talk about mistakes, because this is one of my favorite parts of every episode. Real life, please, the errors.
Yes, I hear this a lot from learners. Let's fix it gently.
Mistake number 1. I'm agree with you. Oh, this one comes up so often, and I completely understand why. It feels logical. I'm sounds smooth, but agree is a verb, and you don't use I'm before a verb like that. You say, I agree with you. No I'm, no I am. Just I agree. Simple.
Think of it this way. I'm and I am are like a frame on a wall. They hold adjectives and nouns. I'm tired, I am a teacher. But verbs stand on their own. They don't need the frame.
I love that. The frame analogy.